Njengoba abafundi bakamatikuletsheni belungiselela ukubhala izivivinyo zabo zokuphela konyaka, nanka amaqhinga abangawasebenzisa ukwehlisa ingcindezi.
I think the first one is a positive mindset, believing that you can. In these 5 days, structure your work in a way that will help you be less anxious. Now put everything down, be well prepared, and eat well, drink a lot of water, and continue breathing in between your studies.
Owayeyingxenye yabafundi abaphumelela ngamalengiso ngonyaka odlule uthi lesi isikhathi sokuba bazithibe ezintweni ezithize.
And another thing that goes hand in hand with time management is discipline. Discipline in terms of you restricting yourself from doing things which can be done at a later stage. For example, going out with your friends or spending a lot of time on the outdoor life in general. For now, spend time on things which are worth it, and trust me, your academics are worth it.
Izivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni kulindeleke ukuthi ziqale ngomsombuluko ngephepha lesithathu lesilungu ne-Afrikaans.